If you want to cancel your Hostinger subscription, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process clearly and quickly. Whether you're switching providers, testing another hosting service, or simply no longer need your plan, Hostinger makes it possible to manage your subscription from your account dashboard. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can turn off auto-renewal and avoid any unwanted future charges. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials. Now let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll want to click on Billing. This is where Hostinger stores all of your payment and subscription details, so it's the right place to begin if you want to make changes to your plan. After you open the Billing section, look for the Subscriptions tab. Click on Subscriptions to view all of the active plans linked to your account. This may include web hosting, email hosting, domains, or other services depending on what you've purchased. If you have more than one product, be sure you choose the correct one so you don't accidentally change the wrong subscription. Next, select the plan you want to cancel. Click on that subscription to open its details. Inside the subscription settings, look for the auto-renewal option. Hostinger usually uses auto-renewal to keep your service active automatically, so disabling this is the key step if you want to stop the subscription from renewing at the end of the billing period. Once you find the auto-renewal setting, turn it off or disable it. You may see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to stop renewal. Read that message carefully, then confirm the action. Depending on the plan, Hostinger may still keep your service active until the current billing cycle ends, which means you can continue using it until that date without being charged again. It's also a good idea to double check your account afterward to make sure the subscription shows auto-renewal as disabled. That helps prevent any surprises later. If you're canceling because you're moving your website, make sure you back up your files, emails, and domain settings before the plan expires so you don't lose anything important. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel a Hostinger subscription by logging in, opening billing, going to subscriptions, selecting your plan, and disabling auto-renewal. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.